It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.